Good morning students. Welcome to today's chemistry class. In this video we can discuss about the problems based on concentration of solutions. In the previous video we have discussed about the different modes to express the concentration of the solution. Do you remember what was that? They are mass percentage, molarity and mole fraction, etc. Isn't it? Now today we can discuss some numericals. Okay, so the first one is a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of the solute A. Okay, so here we are adding a substance A to 18 gram of water. 2 gram of A is adding to 18 gram of water. We have to calculate the mass percentage of that. Here which is the solute? A is the solute and water is the solvent, isn't it? Because it is present in larger quantity. So water is the solvent and A is the solute. Okay, so the mass percentage of solute we can calculate using the formula, that is mass of A divided by total mass of the solution into 100. That is the formula to calculate the mass percentage. Okay, then what is mass of A? That is 2 gram, and mass of solution means mass of solute plus mass of solvent, that is equal to 2 plus 18 equal to 20. That is the total mass of the solution. Then we can substitute these values in this equation. Okay, so we will get 2 by 20 into 100, that is equal to 10%. So that is the mass percentage of A. Okay, so this is the way to calculate the mass percentage. Mass of the solute divided by total mass of the solution. That means mass of solute plus mass of solvent into 100. Clear that? Now the second question is to calculate the molarity. Molarity of NaOH in a solution which contains 4 moles of NaOH in 2 liter of the solution. So which is the solute? NaOH is the solute, and what is the solvent? Water. Okay. So we are having 4 moles of NaOH, that is 4 moles of solute in 2 liter of the solution. We have to calculate the molarity. And what is the formula to calculate molarity? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Then we can substitute the values. Number of moles of solute is given here, that is 4 moles. So we can write 4 divided by volume of solution in liter, that is also given 2 liter. So 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. 2 molar. Capital letter M, or we can use mole per liter. This unit also we can use. Okay, 2 molar or 2 mole per liter. This is the molarity of this given solution. Got that? Now the third question is calculate the molarity of NaOH in a solution which contains 5 moles of NaOH in 500 ml of the solution. Okay. Formula remains same, that is molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in liter. And what is the solute in this question? NaOH is the solute. And 5 moles of NaOH is present in 500 ml of the solution. Here the volume is given in milliliter. That we have to convert into liter. Okay. How can we convert milliliter into liter? We have to divide by 1000. 500 divided by 1000. Clear that? So we can substitute the values, that is molarity is equal to number of moles of solute. What is the number of moles? 5. So 5 divided by volume of solution in liter. Here the volume is 500 ml. We are converting it into liter. For that we are dividing by 1000. So 500 divided by 1000. And we are simplifying this 1000 will go to the numerator side. So we will get 5 into 1000 divided by 500. When we are simplifying we will get 10. 10 molar. Okay. 10 molar, or we can write mole per liter. Clear that? Molar or mole per liter. Any one of this unit we have to write. Okay. So this is the way to calculate the molarity of the solution. Now the next question is again to calculate the molarity of NaOH prepared by dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of its solution. Okay, so in this question the mass of NaOH is given, that is 4 gram. Instead of number of moles we are given the mass. Okay, we are dissolving 4 grams of NaOH in 250 ml of water. In water to form 250 ml of the solution. So this is the total volume of the solution. 250 ml is the total volume of the solution. And what is the formula to calculate molarity? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Here number of moles is not given directly, but we are given mass, that is 4 gram of NaOH, isn't it? So from the mass we can calculate number of moles. What is the formula for that? Number of moles is equal to mass by molecular mass. Given mass by molecular mass. And what is the given mass here? 4 gram. So given mass is 4 gram divided by molecular mass of NaOH is 40. So 4 divided by 40. Okay, that is the number of moles that we can substitute in this equation. So number of moles is 4 divided by 40 divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume given here is in milliliter, that is 250 milliliter. We have to convert it into liter. For that we are dividing by 1000. So 4 divided by 40 divided by 250 divided by 1000. So when we are simplifying, what will happen? We will get like this: 4 by 40 into 1000 divided by 250. Here this is the denominator. This is the denominator. To divide that we have to multiply with its reciprocal. So we can write 4 divided by 40 into 1000 divided by 250. We are multiplying with the reciprocal of this denominator. So we will get like this. Then when we are simplifying, we will get 40 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.4 mole per liter, or we can write 0.4 molar. Clear? Now the next question is calculate the molality of the solution prepared by dissolving 5 moles of solute in 2 gram of solvent. 5 moles of solute in 2 kilogram of solvent. What is the formula to calculate molality? Number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. That is known as its molality. Okay. So here number of moles of the solute is given directly, that is 5 moles. So instead of this value we can write 5 divided by mass of solvent in kilogram, that is given as 2. So 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.5 mole per kilogram, or it is also known as molal. That is represented by small letter m. So either we can write mole per kilogram or we can write small letter m to represent molal. Clear that? That is the unit of molality. So this is a simple question. Direct substitution is there. It's very easy. Okay. Now the next question is 6th one. Calculate the molality of the solution prepared by dissolving 10 mole of solute in 500 gram of solvent. Again the formula is same. Number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Number of moles of solute is given here 10 mole. So 10 divided by, here the mass is given in grams. So we have to convert it into kilogram. For that we have to divide by 1000. So we can write 10 divided by 500 divided by 1000. Okay. So that is the mass of solvent in kilogram. So when we are simplifying this 1000 will come to the numerator side. So we will get 10 into 1000 divided by 500. So when we are simplifying, we will get the answer 20. 20 mole per kilogram, or we can write 20 molal. Clear? Here the difference is that mass of solvent is given in grams. So that we have to convert into kilogram. For that we have to divide with 1000. Clear? The next problem is to calculate the molality of a solution prepared by dissolving 10 gram of NaOH in 250 gram of water. Here, which is the solute? NaOH is the solute and solvent is water. Here instead of number of moles of the solute, its mass is given 10 gram. Okay, it is dissolved in 250 gram of water. The mass of solvent also in grams. Okay, so here we have to find out the number of moles first from this mass. Then we have to change this grams into kilogram. So the equation remains same, that is molality is equal to number of moles divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. And first we are calculating the number of moles, that is number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass, that is equal to 10 by 40. Given mass is 10 gram and molar mass, that means molecular mass of NaOH, that is equal to 40. So 10 divided by 40, that is equal to 0.1 mole. Then number of moles is 0.1 mole divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. it is given in grams, that is 250 gram. We have to convert it into kilogram. For that we have to divide by 1000. So 0.1 divided by 250 divided by 1000. So when we are simplifying, this 1000 will come to the numerator side. So we will get 0.1 into 1000 divided by 250, that is equal to 0.4 molal. Or it can be written like this, that is mole per kilogram. Okay. Either we can write molal or we can write this unit, mole per kilogram. Clear that? Now the next question is, calculate the number of moles and the amount in grams of NaOH in 250 ml of 0.1 molar NaOH solution. Here what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the number of moles and mass. Mass in grams of NaOH. For that, what we are given? The volume and molarity we are given. Okay, so from this volume of the solution and molarity, we have to calculate the number of moles and mass of NaOH. Okay, so 0.1 molar NaOH solution means 0.1 moles in 1 liter. We know that molarity means number of moles in 1 liter, isn't it? Here it is said that 0.1 molar. That means 0.1 moles of NaOH in 1 liter of the solution. Okay. Now we know that molarity is equal to number of moles divided by volume of solution in liter. Here we are given the molarity and volume. From this we can calculate the number of moles. How can we calculate? Number of moles is equal to molarity into volume in liter. Isn't it? So here molarity is given, like that volume also given. So from this we can calculate the number of moles using the formula number of moles is equal to molarity into volume in liter. So molarity is given 0.1 into volume in liter. The volume is given in milliliter, 250 milliliter. We have to convert it into liter. For that we have to divide by 1000. So 0.1 into 250 divided by 1000, that is equal to 0.025 mole. So we got the number of moles, and if we know the number of moles, we can calculate the mass using the formula number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. That we know, isn't it? Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So we know number of moles and molar mass. NaOH is the solute. So molar mass of NaOH we have to write here. So number of moles we know and molar mass also we know. From this we can calculate the mass. How can we calculate that? Mass is equal to number of moles into molar mass. Number of moles we got here, that is 0.025 into molar mass of NaOH is 40. So that is equal to 1 gram. Okay. So this is the way to calculate the number of moles and mass. Clear that? Hope that it is clear for all of you. And if any doubt, you can clear it during the live session. Okay.